Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Ronin app. First, download the Ronin wallet from your preferred app store, ensuring it's the official version. Once installed, you'll either create a new wallet with a strong seed phrase or import an existing one. Remember to keep your seed phrase extremely safe. We'll then navigate the main dashboard, showing you where to find your assets and essential features. This initial setup is crucial for secure and efficient use. Now, let's dive into managing your digital assets. We'll cover the straightforward process of sending and receiving tokens, ensuring you understand each step. You'll also learn how to easily access and review your complete transaction history, which is vital for tracking your activity. Furthermore, we'll demonstrate how to securely connect your Ronin wallet to various decentralized applications, expanding your interaction with the ecosystem. Security is paramount, so we'll discuss essential practices to keep your Ronin wallet safe, including setting up two-factor authentication. Next, we'll explore advanced features like staking, showing you how to potentially earn rewards by locking up your assets. We'll also demystify gas fees, explaining what they are and how you can adjust them for smoother, more cost-effective transactions within the Ronin network. Finally, let's cover some common troubleshooting tips to help you resolve any issues you might encounter while using the Ronin app. We'll also point you towards official support resources and community forums where you can find answers and connect with other users. Remember, staying informed is key. Before you go, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.